Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, when I did a video a while ago suggesting to Mrs. Sowore that she should not set a place at her dinner table for Omoyele because he is unlikely to be coming home for Christmas, a lot of people got quite upset in the comment section saying I should not be saying that. I wasn't wishing this on this guy, but I do know the antecedent of Malam Buhari and his cabal, and I knew that the chances of them letting this guy go are between slim and none. So with that guys, I bring you this: Sowore Falana raises alarm. So that's the headline. Sowore Falana raises alarm. So now let's see what the SAN has to say this time around. Legal luminary Femi Falana has alerted that the Department of State Services DSS was preparing fresh charges against Omoyele Sowore, convener of Revolution Now movement. The senior advocate of Nigeria SAN, who is the counsel to the publisher of Sahara Reporters, raised the alarm on Channels TV program on Monday. Last Wednesday, a federal high court in Abuja ordered the release of Sowore alongside Olawale Bakare. The DSS is yet to comply with the orders and claimed that no surety had come to take Sowore on bail. But Falana stated that the plot was to keep Sowore incarcerated. I was reliably informed last night by a security official that the government was currently fishing for evidence, he said. An attempt is being made to file fresh charges on Tuesday so that there will be an excuse that we are arraigning him in court, hence we are unable to release them. If you recall, that was done when Justice Taiwo granted Sowore bail on September the 24th. For a whole week, the court order was flouted, and then, of course, on September 30th, he was arraigned together with Olawale Bakare. We are ready for them. Falana also declared readiness to file contempt of court charges against the DSS Director General Yusuf Bichi. So as I said, it's almost as though this Falana follows my channel, because this is exactly what I said in a previous video, and some of the people following this channel would be familiar with that. So this is not me trying to ride off the back of what this guy is saying now. This is something that I have said. I said then that they will hold this guy up till Friday, and then they will say that they were closed for the weekend, and Monday being a bank holiday, they will not be open. And by Tuesday, of course, they'll be looking for fresh charges to file against him to continue to detain him. So this is really the reason why I said the wife of Sowore should not be setting a place for him for Christmas, because this guy are intent on holding him for the foreseeable. Conversations in the comment section: rule of law in Nigeria. What rule of law? This is really the thing, because there's only one law in Nigeria, and unfortunately is the illiterate Malam Buhari. So this is now what we have to contend with for the next 4 years. Buhari effectively being the rule of law in the country. This is really the story of Nigeria for the foreseeable now, and this is really portending for dangerous times for that country, because we are now firmly in the grips of our Janjaweed territory. So the country is now in Janjaweed territory, and the law of the country is now Janjaweed. So the laws of Janjaweed now is now what Femi Falana really needs to go and learn, because if he's ever going to continue to practice and help to fight the battle of the oppressed, then he needs to know the laws of Janjaweed. Conversations in the comment section: the Janjaweedification of the Nigerian legal system is what we are discussing now. Is there any rule of law in that country? I don't think anybody of any sane mind is still of that thought now, because these people, they have absolutely no regard for anything called law. Come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. But before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of the lawlessness in Nigeria in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join in the comment section. But here I say peace.